Hello dear fellow scholars. In this first video of our mini course on smart cities, we are going to find out what a smart city is. You may have heard about it in the news, or maybe you are just curious about what a smart city is all about. Well, by the end of this 5 to 10 minute video, you will know the answer. So let's get started. First of all, imagine a city where traffic lights adapt automatically to traffic, where street lights turn on only when someone walks by, and where your smartphone becomes the key to interact with every urban service. From security to transportation to energy. This is exactly what we call a smart city. So what is a smart city? A smart city is a city that uses digital technologies and data to improve the quality of life for its citizens, to increase sustainability, and to improve the management of resources. In other words, a smart city uses technology to become more livable, more sustainable, and more efficient. Why does it matter? Well, by 2050, over 70% of the world's population will live in cities. And today, many cities face serious challenges such as pollution, traffic congestion, waste of energy, and social inequality. To address these challenges, we need smarter and more sustainable ways to manage our cities. And this is where smart cities come into play. But how do we make a city smart? We can start by connecting everything and everyone in the city through digital technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, sensors, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence, AI. For instance, Singapore is using sensors to monitor traffic and cleanliness in real time. Barcelona is using smart streetlights that can detect when someone is walking by and only then turn on. And Dubai is working towards becoming 100% connected and sustainable by 2030. All of this sounds great, but you might be wondering how we can make sure that all of these technologies work together seamlessly. And you raise a very good point. To understand how all of these technologies fit together, how about we take a look at this diagram? If we put citizens plus data plus infrastructure plus technology, we get a smart city. And now I would like to introduce you to some real-world examples of smart cities. Singapore is a great example of a smart city. The city-state is known for its excellent use of technology to improve the quality of life for its citizens. For example, Singapore has developed a smart national digital platform that provides citizens with easy access to government services. The platform allows citizens to pay their bills, renew their licenses, and access other services online. Another example is Barcelona, which is a pioneer in smart city initiatives. The city has implemented a variety of smart city projects such as smart street lighting, intelligent waste management, and a smart mobility system. These initiatives have helped to improve the efficiency and sustainability of the city's operations while also enhancing the quality of life for its residents. So what is the takeaway? A smart city is a city that is connected, sustainable, and inclusive. It is a city that uses technology to improve the quality of life for its citizens while also addressing the challenges of sustainability and resource management. In the next video of this series, we will take a look at the technologies that make smart cities possible. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much and see you next time.